వెళ్దామా?
ఇక్కడ
When politics decide your future, decide your politics. What does that mean?
voting and you are casting your vote, you have to be careful and you always be think beyond the politics, which means you should think of future. Now what we are facing in this country, people voted in 2014, 2019, 25, right, 24, multiple election has been happening in across country. What we are getting? Nothing. So before casting your vote,
BJP or Modi are different from others, or all are
no, in structurally, if you see the problem is same, right? In every state or every across the country.
Okay.
But now the problem, if you see the central government, then problem is much bigger than the state government, right? So now what we have seen is that we are asking resignations, which is very basic in democracy, right? It is necessary. If you are not able to govern the country, you have to resign, give it someone, those who are capable, right? This is the essence of democracy. But now they are denying, no, we are not giving our resignations. This is not our trend of democracy. So which means it lead to dictatorship or autocratic governments. And our constitution specifically define what is democracy. If you are not capable, you have to resign. If chief secretary is not capable, he has to resign or transfer somewhere else.
Modi capable or not?
I don't think so. If he is capable, then he has to resign. See, resignation is also showing that you have a courage, right? You have a courage of conviction. You have a courage to convince yourself that yes, I am wrong, right? As we are living in a democracy, peoples are supreme than the other or leaders. I believe
Say
that.
something about politics. Students are not into politics or something.
See, this is how I am a student, right? Now they are doing deliberately, they are stopping student politics in this country, whether it is UP or Tamil Nadu or other states, right? Because they don't want new generation to become a leader. They deliberately trying to curb student politics in campuses so that their generation or their children will get political, right? So that they secure their seat in parliament for their children. Ultimately, have you seen the first generation? How is it very difficult to get a parliament seat or the assembly seat in is first generation? It's very difficult in this country. But you see the legacy and the dynasty, everybody is doing the same thing. Every party have a dynasty politics. They are giving
Change will happen in this country.
definitely people are supreme and they are like
But in
constitution giving
India,
us-
money politics, liquor politics, people
See-
want to ask.
everything is related
Give
to
something.
election. If you understand the election process in this country, then you understand the money politics, money power, muscles power, right? How these peoples are collecting the money from the different organizations, different platforms. Recently, I have read that ONGC have contributed around 600 crore, 600 crore rupees to RSS. What from where their money is coming from?
In Telangana, one big contractor is there, Mega Krishna Reddy. That Mega Krishna Reddy give BJP to 500 crores electoral bonds.
That is what I am
He
saying.
given 500 crores.
See, this is pro bono, right? They are giving in favor of something. It is not one way, right? They are doing favor and they are taking money.
Yeah.
And for that money, they are contesting elections and they are spending too much amount in elections. They are even buying votes. They are, see, I was in Hyderabad, right? I did my master from Hyderabad, Central University.
You know Telugu?
No, I don't know, but I was like, I understand Telugu, but I don't speak.
Okay.
So I have learned that I did my master in political science.
Yeah.
So basically it is an excess between corporates, politicians, criminals and other bureaucrats, top bureaucrats. They are deliberately trying to hijack the politics of this country.
తెలుగులో ఏం మాట్లాడగలుగుతారు మీరు? అంటే అర్థమవుతుందా?
What I am goal? You
అర్థమవుతుందా?
are asking my goals, right?
No. తెలుగులో speak something.
I don't know, man. I don't know Telugu. I am from UP.
Okay. We are from Telangana. We are from Telangana.
I know that.
Jai Telangana.
Jai Telangana.
Jai Telangana.
Jai Telangana. I'll be in Hyderabad. I am from JNU. Basically, I am doing PhD in JNU.
We are inspiration from Telangana movement.
Yeah.
Like
Definitely.
Million March, Manavaharam or something. So many.
I have read.
So many
I have read in Telangana always be like at the forefront since the beginning.
Yes.
Because they have some like I think peasant movement, Telangana movement, right?
Yeah.
And also they demand separate state also.
Yes.
There are multiple students that they sacrifice their life for the state. Now I think Telangana is bit of now in Congress hand.
Yeah.
I would say let's see. Even we have seen a Jubilee Hill constituency like they spend
They
too
are
much
also
amount.
corrupted.
They are also corrupted. Obviously, they are
Jai
trying.
Telangana.
Jai Telangana.
Thank you.
JNU లో లా అండ్ గవర్నెన్స్ లో PhD చేస్తుండంట.
Thank you, Bhaiya. Thank you very much. Thank you.